Welcome to Kimono Kardio. This is choreography Yota. Emphasis on your back arm. And right, left, up, turn, left, right, up, turn, right, left, up, turn, left, right, up, turn. These are yotsutake. They're a Japanese percussion instrument, kind of like a kachi kachi, and they're used at festivals. But we're actually not going to make the sounds because it is a little bit loud. But this is choreography for light weights. So today instead, I'm using the Japanese kachi kachi. You can replace your light weights with the kachi kachi to make it more interesting. The Japanese also say that using finger instruments like this, like with a piano, increases your brain activity. So it's all good. Right, left, up, turn. Left, right, up, turn. Right, left, up, turn. Left, right, up, turn. And moon. Moon. And as I always say, I am in a kimono. So you have absolutely no excuse for not doing your lightweight training in cardio. This is good for your all-over health. Really, really healthy. And easy. And fun. Emphasis on your back arm. Emphasis on your back arm. This is Kimono Kardio. Choreography Yota. Right, left, up, and good. Yay!